Evening all. Just checking in and finishing off the last 20 for shelter. It's been an interesting 28 days. Got ahead of it sometimes, got behind sometimes. It's been enjoyable at times, painful at sometimes, a bit of a pain in the backside sometimes when you have to do something every day and you leave it late. But it will be done. And that's what we're learning. Every month we have to do things we don't necessarily want to do, but we said we'd do them. So we set out our plans, we stick to our plans, and we come through. Our strength of character shines through. Stubbornness, whatever you want to call it. This has been done for shelter. As I say, it's a fantastic charity. They look after people who really need their help. Families, individuals struggling, living on the streets in every way, every form of life. We all need help sometimes. So making sure that we support these charities and do the best we can for these people who need help. This is my little way of supporting that. And I'm going to bust out another 50 just because I can this evening. So next month is direct dairy free, and also making sure that I start the old challenge of the first month of the marathon challenge. So I think weekly I've got to be running between 20 and 25 miles a week, which would be good to be back on the road and get back on the hills when it starts drying out a little bit. And I'll let you know how that goes. But just going back to shelter and what they do for people, words can't express how much they help individuals and, as I say, families as well over the years. From 1966 when it first began to now, many people have been helped, and many more will be helped over the years. And with everyone's help and finances, and obviously money's tight for everybody at the moment, so we just do our bit to show support, and we do our bit to show that we're trying to bring it to the limelight. All these different charities, like we all have, but charities especially, have suffered over these times because they haven't been able to do fundraisers and haven't been able to do different events which they normally would do. I used to do a thing for the air ambulance, and that has obviously been called off the last couple of years due to COVID. So hopefully, maybe the back end of this year, that might be put back on. If I can, then obviously it will be documented somewhere along the line. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. You take care and stay strong. And if you can do something to help other people, please do. Be lucky. Cheers.